Hi everyone, this is Saeed. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wine bottle cutting device. The parts you need are 2 pieces of board. You don't need to plane or clean them, as you need the friction between them. And you also need 4 L brackets. They're 5 centimeters on each side. And you need 3 bolts, about 3 centimeters long, 8 millimeter in diameter, 3 washers, 3 nuts, and 3 ball bearings, could be from skateboards, and 8 drywall screws, small ones, a glass cutting diamond, a Phillips screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, an electric drill with a 8 millimeter drill bit, and a grinder or something to file the metal with. So the first thing you got to do is enlarge one of the holes in the L bracket so we can fit the 8 millimeter bolt through there. And as you see, using the grinder, I've ground out the heads of each bracket to make them round. And this is how you assemble one. You put a bolt through, a washer, a bearing, and a nut. And you just hand tighten that. And that's what that's going to look like. And in the same way, we'll assemble 2 more of those. Now I'm gonna mount those on the board. The distance between the 2 adjacent ones is 3 inches, and the ones going down the board is 5.5 inches. You want to use a board of good quality so the screws don't pull out. There's going to be a fair bit of pressure on them when you put the wine bottle in there and try to score it. So the glass cutting diamond goes on the last bracket, and as you see, I've ground the head quite a bit. I will show you a picture comparing it to the other 3 brackets later on. So this part is very easy. Also, you just take use the flat blade screwdriver, take the diamonds off, and put it on the bracket that you've ground out. You just need to make sure you grind out enough so the blades get exposed. And that's what that's going to look like. As you see, all the diamonds all around are exposed. You'll be using one at a time. And this is a comparison between the 2 brackets, the ones that take the bearings on the left and the one that takes the diamond on the right. And you put that in the same parallel to the one next to it. Make sure all the screws are nice and tight, and you're good to go. You're ready to cut some bottles now. The nice thing about this design is the second piece of board, you use that to hold the bottle in one place, and with that you can just put it anywhere you want and score the bottle anywhere you want, all the way from the bottom to the top. So very easy to adjust and very easy to do. As you see here, this is our first bottle being scored, and I go around at least twice or as many times as I need to make sure I get a nice deep and even score all around the bottle. And this is what you get, a nice even score. Show you how to split the bottles. So you need to use really hot boiling water and fairly cool water on the tap, and you spin the bottle as fast as you can because you want to heat it up evenly and cool it off evenly. Otherwise you get a crack going up and down the bottle and you ruin it. The trick is you put it under boiling water for 5 seconds and cold water 5 seconds, and you go back and forth until it splits. If you mess up, don't worry, it happens. Just have extra bottles on hand. I'm gonna put a link for you guys to the first project I did with these bottles. It's a candle holder, and hope you like it, and please rate and comment and subscribe. Thank you. This is Saeed. Bye.